Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily edit a collection's name on Instagram with the latest update. If you've ever saved posts into collections and wanted to rename them for better organization, this quick guide will help you do just that in a few simple steps. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This takes you to your personal Instagram page, where all your posts and saved content are accessible. Next, look to the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu or hamburger icon. This opens a side menu with several options. From here, select Saved. This section contains all the posts you've saved from Instagram, neatly organized into collections if you've created any. Now tap on Collections. You'll see all your saved collections displayed here. Find the specific collection you want to rename and tap on it to open. Inside the collection, look for the three dots icon, usually located at the top right corner. Tap on these dots to reveal more options. Among these options, tap on Edit Collection. This is where you can change the name of your collection. A text field will appear, allowing you to enter the new name for your collection. Type in the new name that best describes the content you've saved there. Once you're happy with the new name, confirm your change by tapping the appropriate button, usually labeled Done or Save. And that's it. You've successfully renamed your Instagram collection. This simple update helps you keep your saved posts organized and easy to find whenever you want to revisit them. Remember, keeping your collections well labeled can save you a lot of time and make your Instagram experience more enjoyable. Try renaming your collections today and see how much easier it is to manage your saved content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more handy Instagram tips and tricks.